Hey guys, TG here, and today I will be using all these materials today to make a touchscreen laptop thing. Basically using a Kindle, old shoebox or something, some little plastic things, Gorilla Tape, and a keyboard, and a charger obviously. Let's get into it. Now guys, the first thing I did was I took an old old pencil box, messed around with it, took out all of these things, and basically now it's going to be our main shell for the desk for the laptop, so yeah. Okay guys, so I have been tinkering around for a little bit, and I've got it all set up. I've got the main frame right here, and the power on button, my new Windows installed, and let's just open it up. Got some GeForce Now, I got all my apps in a folder, I've got all the other apps in a different folder, and this is going to make a great present for my brother, guys. I think I'm ready. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Have an amazing day. I will go do a full tutorial on how to make one of these. Sorry I didn't get to it, but I did skip a lot of stuff by accident. Most of my videos weren't actually recording. But yeah, so I'll just make a rundown of what I've done. I've added some tape around the edges, keep it stable. Have added a little nudge over here for a power button. Kind of hard to hit, but it's right there. You can see it. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Have an amazing day. I will make a full tutorial and leave a link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. Have an amazing day, and I will see you guys later. Bye.